Hi there, students. When do we use onto as one word, and when do we use on to as two words? So, to me, there's one quick and dirty rule. It's not always correct. Use onto, one word, always. 98% of cases, or 95% of cases, onto with one word is valid. Okay? Now, let's look at the cases where it's not valid. We use it as two words when the on is part of the verb, and the to is part of the phrase or the noun phrase that goes afterwards. So, for example, let's move on. Let's move on to the next subject. Two words. When my son finishes at school, he will go on. He will go on to university. Let's see. So on. When you've got a phrasal verb with on, and there is another phrase afterwards, then those are the times to use it. But very often, even in these cases, you can use it as one word. I need to log on. I need to log on to the website. Okay, but I need two words. But you could also write it, I need to log on to, one word, the website. Okay, so let's see. In nearly all cases, use it as one word. But when the two concepts are very separate, then on to the object. So yeah, time is moving on. Time moved on to 6 o'clock. Clearly here, I would use them as two. But apart from that, use them as one word. So it's like I said at the beginning. If in doubt, even in the slightest bit of doubt, put them as one word. Yeah, even if you get it wrong, it's not a serious mistake. But use them as two words where there's a clear division. Phrasal verb, something on, to the object or to the object clause. And that's the difference, okay? So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Yeah, you can go on to watch another video. That's definitely got to be two, because it's to watch. It's an infinitive. It definitely belongs to the next bit. Bye for now.